Hey everyone, and welcome to this video. Today I'm at Kenny U-Pull, and well, this is the second Thunderbird I've found today here. This is a 1997, of course. The other one's a 1990 Super Coupe. This one here isn't quite as nice. This is a 4.6 overhead cam, so it's got the modular 4.6 liter V8, and it's green instead of black. Aluminum wheels though, still. 225/60 R16 tires. And this one here, you can definitely tell why it's here. All that rust. Huge doors. Colors rubbed off on this one. Has an aftermarket, had an aftermarket radio in it. This is an LX trim level, so it's not high, but it's nice. It's got 287,000 kilometers on it though. It's pretty good. Trunk button's right in the middle. I like it. Rear subframe. Of course these are rear wheel drive, yes. So there's a rear subframe right there. It's kind of crusty back here though. I bet the hole underneath is crusty. Is it? Oh yeah, she's crusty. She's crusty, alright. Smooth as soon as you touch it. A little bit of clear coat peel, but it's overall, the paint's not in bad shape. Ooh, that wheel well has seen better days. That's Bondo. All Bondo. And that rocker is all Bondo too. So this thing's had some body work done in the past and it's just too far gone to save now. It was oil sprayed at some point in its life though. Had a leather wrap steering wheel, does still, but it's covered by this piece of crap. Whatever that, whoever put that cover on, I don't know why they did. But yeah, 4.6 liter modular V8, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels. I think the reason this is here is simply because of rust. But I think there's been an oil leak under there too, which stopped the subframe from getting rusty in places too. So yeah, part of it's good, but part of it's not. It's a really good parts car, but that's about all. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, as well as subscribe for more. Have a great day, everyone.